Private yacht experiences are the epitome of luxury and exclusivity. Imagine sailing through crystal clear waters with a tailor-made itinerary, the ocean breeze on your face, and the sun setting over the horizon, all from the comfort of a yacht that's entirely yours for the day, week, or longer. These experiences are designed for those who want to escape the ordinary and immerse themselves in a world of luxury, privacy, and adventure. A private yacht isn't just a boat, it's a floating palace. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, lavish interiors, and impeccable service, every detail is designed to enhance your experience. From plush lounges, panoramic decks, and luxurious suites to fully stocked bars and private chefs, you're treated to a level of comfort and service that's second to none. One of the main draws of a private yacht experience is the freedom it offers. Unlike staying at a hotel or resort, your yacht is your home on the water, and you can explore multiple destinations at your own pace. Whether you're cruising through the Mediterranean's beautiful coastlines, navigating the Caribbean islands, or exploring the rugged beauty of Alaska's waterways, you have the flexibility to go wherever the wind takes you. For those seeking adventure, private yachts can also offer an array of water activities, including snorkeling, scuba diving, jet skiing, paddleboarding, and fishing. Many yachts come equipped with water toys and tenders, allowing you to explore the waters around you in a fun, exciting, and sometimes even adrenaline-pumping way. But if relaxation is what you're after, yachts can provide that too. Picture yourself lounging on the deck with a refreshing cocktail, reading a book in the shade, or taking a nap in a cabin with stunning views. With a private chef on board, you can indulge in gourmet meals prepared to your taste, with fine wines and champagne to pair. And when you need a little pampering, a private crew is ready to cater to your every whim, ensuring your experience is as stress-free and enjoyable as possible. Some private yachts also offer the ultimate in privacy, making them a perfect choice for celebrities, high-profile executives, or anyone who wants to get away from the prying eyes of the public. With a professional crew trained in discretion, you can rest assured that your time on the yacht will be free from interruption, allowing you to truly unwind. Beyond the incredible luxury and flexibility, a private yacht experience provides an intimate connection with nature. There's something magical about being surrounded by the ocean, hearing the waves crash against the hull, and seeing marine life up close. Many yachts offer eco-friendly features, so you can enjoy the beauty of the natural world while minimizing your impact on it. For those looking to experience something truly extraordinary, there are also options for fully customized itineraries. Whether you want to explore secluded islands, indulge in a spa retreat on board, or enjoy unique experiences like private concerts or gourmet picnics on remote beaches, a private yacht can be personalized to fit your desires. And if you're not ready to commit to a long-term booking, some companies offer luxury yacht charters for shorter periods, allowing you to dip your toes into the world of private yachting without making a significant investment. These charters often include all-inclusive packages, covering everything from food and drinks to water activities and excursions. It's a perfect way to enjoy the yacht experience without the hassle of ownership. At the end of the day, a private yacht experience is about living the dream. It's about indulging in the finest things in life while enjoying the beauty of the world's most spectacular coastlines and waters. Whether you're looking for a relaxing retreat, an action-packed adventure, or an unforgettable celebration, a private yacht provides the ultimate in luxury, privacy, and freedom. So, if you've ever dreamed of sailing away on a private yacht, now's the time to start planning. It's not just a vacation, it's an experience you'll treasure forever. Whether it's for a special occasion or just a well-deserved escape, a private yacht experience offers the perfect combination of luxury, adventure, and relaxation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel and luxury tips. And remember, sometimes the best way to explore the world is from the deck of your own private yacht.